everything, yeah. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce and I've been drinking, yeah. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, and it feel deep in. I was raised in the deep end.
What's up, NJ Gang, and I'm back with another video, and today I haven't posted in a while. So guys, the reason why I haven't posted in a while was because maybe I was at someone's house, maybe I wasn't. I was at my best friend's house, the best friend's house that I share pages with. So I was at her house, and it was like really fun. We went to the movies and we went skating. It was so fun. So guys, now I'm gonna today what I'm gonna do is show you my slime. So I don't have that much slimes. I only have 4 of them, but I'm gonna show you them anyways because I'm bored. I don't have anything to do, and plus I haven't posted in a while for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first slime is this one. We're gonna start from smaller to bigger. So it's this one. It says 6 or something like that. I don't know why it does, but someone put that on there. So this slime is weird, okay? So guys, have you ever had a slime that just when you don't play with it, it gets hard, but when you actually play with it, it starts to get more and more scratchier and stuff? Well, that's what this slime does. It's really weird because I'm like, what did I put in this? I don't even know what I put in this because I made this slime so long ago. So I haven't made this slime. I haven't made slime in a long time. So see, this it's fine now, but when I don't play with it, it just gets back hard. But it's cloud slime. This is a cloud slime. It's blue. No, it's green. Yeah, it's green. I'm starting to not know my colors.
Yeah, it's green. And everything like that. Yes, it's green and everything. And it has some little dots. So it's really, it's a real dot. So, on to the next.
So guys, this next slime is this one. Please do not mind the top. It's lotion, because I put some lotion in it. Okay. This one is actually really soft and good. I love this one. Whoa, what happened there? Y'all, what happened? So guys, right after the end of the video, I'm just going to be playing with it. I'm going to record it, playing with it and stuff like that. Because right now, I don't have a table in front of me. I just have a chair and a ring light and you guys and recording. So, I don't have any table. So, what happened to this slime? I loved this one. I loved this one. Well, on to the next slime. Okay, so guys, this slime is in a old gel container. This was hair gel. So I put it in this container because nothing was in there, and I was like, oh, I need a container. So guys, this is clear slime. The rest, the only slime, this is my first clear slime because all of the slimes that I've made were Elmer's glue. And all the clear slimes are so, they're so expensive, and the Elmer's glue are $1 or either cents. So, oh my god, what is happening to my slimes? Y'all, all of my slimes are getting hard. This is not fair. It's not fair at all. Okay guys, so this one has water in there. This is another cloud slime. Oh no, the cloud slime just sucked the water up. Okay. So guys, this is a cloud slime. It's a white cloud slime. And what I use to have cloud, for it to be cloudy, is so what I put in there, so how I made it was, so I first I don't know what I'm thinking about. So I first, basically what I did was, no, it did not suck all the water up. But yeah, basically what I did, it's dripping. Ah! Oh my god, it's gonna get on my ring light. Okay, but nice scratch. Okay, so basically what I did was, so I got the ingredients from Dollar General, or Family Dollar as you call it. So I got it from there. And first off, so what I got was Elmer's glue. So I used 1 bottle of Elmer's glue on this. And then I used 1 bottle in every one of them. So I used 1 bottle of Elmer's glue in there. And then what I did was, so they had this like magic model clay. I put magic model clay inside there. And I guess that's making it hard because it was pretty good when I first made it, but I don't recommend using magic model clay because it's not really letting the slime like do its own thing. It's controlling it all the way.
So, it still does stick though, it will crack, and you just have to like, I don't know. So,
okay guys, so I got all the slimes here. And the first slime I'm going to do a pokey test with is this one. The one I showed you first. Wait, let me get it soft first. This is not so-called cheating because the slime is actually soft. It gets stiff when I don't play with it. Sorry guys for all the movement here, but this is it right here. Okay, so now I'm going to do a poking test. And guys, I am on the side of the camera, so it's kind of weird, but I forgot this is cloud slime. But the poking test for cloud slime
is good, so whoa.
I'm not gonna say cloud slime is the best. Cloud slime is not the best. I love like normal slime, stuff like that. But we're just gonna go on to the next one. Okay. So the next one would be this one that I showed you. This one. So we're just gonna do a poking test with this one because I don't know what happened to it.
Maybe I play with it too much before I mix it.
Okay guys, this next one is my second favorite because it's clear and I never had it before. Okay.
now let's try to poke this way. This poking is really good. I love the poking. It's just so good. So satisfying. Okay, sorry for that a little bit light. I mean, that darker, but so I bet. And she put more activator in here, and it got really hard. That hard, but it didn't get that bad stretchy. stretch anymore. But it's good for poking, it's good for playing with. So on to the next one.
This one still has a little water from it, if that's fine with you guys, because I don't really want to take it out of the container though, because it has water in here. Magic Model Clay hardens your stuff, so do not ever get Magic Model Clay, because it will ruin your Elmer's slime, or either your Claire slime. Whatever slime you're trying to make, it will ruin. It's good for poking, but it will not scratch. Ugh. It barely cracks anymore. Well, no. This is probably why it's hard. The only reason why it's probably hard because I put the Magic Model Clay in it at the wrong time.
My best friend cut hers is like really good. Her slime is really good. It didn't have a problem or anything like that. And she put it in when she poured the glue in, she put it in right after that. And then added the activator and then mixed it. That's probably why hers is good, but mine's bad because I put before when I was done with all the steps and stuff. What did I do? I put it in after that. And so that's what made it hard. But this is a really good compliment. That was a case that dropped, if you're wondering. Okay, so guys, that will be it for this. And I can go ahead and make my thumbnail. Okay, so that will be it for this video. I have to turn the camera, so.
Okay, guys. Yeah, but anyways, that is the almost video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification so you can see when I post. Yeah. Oh, and if you will follow my TikTok right here, it's gonna be right here. Okay? That's it. So, bye and gang.
Hang out with the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days and it was harder, been thinking.